Valentine's Day is here, and if you are still struggling with gift ideas, I have got you covered. This delicate rose petal body scrub makes a beautiful and useful gift. In my opinion, a homemade gift speaks louder than words and is so much better than just buying a gift at the store. Rose petals are a symbol of luxury. These beautiful blooms are useful for so much more than looking just pretty. It's time to stop tossing your fading flowers in the trash once they begin to wilt and make your own rejuvenating rose petal scrub in only a few minutes. Simply place your fresh, clean rose petals on some paper towels and let them completely dry. You can also put them in the sun if you would like to speed things up a bit. You may also buy the dried rose petals from Amazon. Now to begin, just crush 1 cup of dried rose petals in a food processor and sift it to a large mixing bowl. Crush half cup of dried orange peels in the food processor and mix in with the rose petals. Add 3 spoons of Epsom salt. Add 2/3 cup of carrier oil. I have used coconut oil here, but you can also use almond oil, olive oil or any other carrier oil. You can also add a few drops of your favorite essential oil. Now stir everything together and store in a cute jar. This scrub will last for over a month as long as water doesn't get into it. To add a romantic touch to this beautiful gift, cover the jar with the lacy fabric using fabric glue. And cover the lid with a piece of leftover border. Use a golden fabric and a string of stone for the finishing touch. Rose petals are flushed with antioxidants that can refresh your skin. The oil and salt help to remove the dead skin cells, making your skin bright looking and vibrant. You don't need any moisturizer after using this rose scrub. If you like the idea, do share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such ideas. Thanks for stopping by. Enjoy and have a nice day.